Property means something that someone owns or has. Example: they own several properties across the city. 2. The car is their personal property. Regular means happening often or according to a schedule. Example: 1. She goes for a walk in the park on a regular basis. 2. We have our regular coffee break at 10 o'clock every morning. Responsible means having a duty to do something or being accountable. Example: 1. Parents are responsible for taking care of their children. 2. Employees are responsible for completing their assigned tasks at work. Science means studying how things in the world work. Example: 1. Biology is a science that studies living organisms. 2. Physics is a science that explores the properties of matter and energy. Series means a number of things or events that come one after another. Example: 1. She watched a series of movies over the weekend. 2. The detective solved a series of connected crimes. Specific means clear and exact. Example: please give me specific details about the event. 2. The doctor provided specific instructions for taking the medication. Spirit means the part of a person that is not their body. Example: 1. Many people believe the spirit lives on after death. 2. The team's spirit was strong and they played well together. Terrible means something that is very bad or unpleasant. Example: the food at that restaurant was terrible. 2. She had a terrible headache yesterday. Theory means an idea or set of ideas that explain something. Example: 1. The scientists developed a new theory about how galaxies form. 2. Her theory about why the plant wasn't growing was that it wasn't getting enough sunlight. Unfortunate means something that is not good or unlucky. Example: 1. It's unfortunate that she missed the bus this morning. 2. He had an unfortunate misunderstanding with his friend yesterday. Unique means being the only one of its kind. Example: 1. Each snowflake is unique in its shape. 2. Her dress design is unique and unlike anything I've seen before. Unless means except if something happens. Example: 1. She won't go outside unless it stops raining. 2. We will leave early unless there is heavy traffic.